How to use Unionbank virtual credit card. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use your Unionbank virtual credit card for secure online shopping and transactions. First, open the Unionbank app or website and log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the cards section in the app or website. Select virtual credit card and follow the prompts to generate a new virtual card. You will receive the card number, expiration date and CVV instantly. Now, go to the checkout page of the online store where you want to shop. Enter the virtual card number, expiration date and CVV as you would with a physical credit card. Complete your purchase. You can track all your virtual card transactions directly from the Unionbank app or online banking dashboard. And that's it. With Unionbank's virtual credit card, you can shop safely online without revealing your actual credit card details. Enjoy secure and easy transactions.